The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Mahatma Gandhi. Today we are celebrating International Non-Violence Day. It is the day when the father of our nation was born. Mahatma Gandhi, an extraordinary man in the history of India. He is also called the father of the nation. He was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. He struggled a lot for the freedom of the country. He believed in non-violence. He always taught the lesson of non-violence to their disciples. That is why the United Nations General Assembly passed a resolution to celebrate the birth anniversary of Gandhi ji as the International Day of Non-Violence. The personal life of Gandhi ji is an inspiration to all. Gandhi ji led many movements to bring the British flag down in the country, such as non-cooperation movement in 1920, Dadi March in 1930, and Quit India movement in 1942. At last, India got freedom from British rule on August 15, 1947. After some months of freedom, Gandhi ji was shot dead by Nathuram Godse on January 30, 1948. But the life of Gandhi can never be forgettable. Today, not only our country, but the whole world celebrates Gandhi Jayanti as Non-Violence Day. Thank you.